InaVest, a new project where the customers are in control of their funds. We call it lifestyle trading. It's a Forex trading platform. My name is Aumar Rashid. I am the CEO of the company. And we have a team. We will discuss that in a minute. So before I move forward, I hope everybody has heard of Forex, which is buying and selling of currencies. That's what we're going to talk about, and how this project is going to help us to make a nice, decent income from this. It's not for everyone. We'll discuss that in a minute, but let's see who are the people who we are targeting. Yeah. If you move to the next slide, okay, here it is. First of all, the legal statement. Just to let you know, Forex trading is a risky business. This is not a solicitation to invest. Only trade with money you can afford to lose. Past performances are not indicative of future results. We have started the testing basically going back in January, where we produced 30% profit. But that doesn't mean every month you're going to earn 30%. We are trying to achieve minimum of 10% profit every month. Anything extra will be a bonus. But I think we are on our way target to achieve more than 10% on average every month. We look for averages. Yeah. So who are we targeting? Our InaVest Forex product is not only available for sophisticated investors, i.e. the people who have done some sort of investment in the past. And also they understand what Forex is, what is this, what type of investment this is. If anybody is completely new, what we do is we try to go through with you in this presentation and explain to you what Forex is, so you understand before you join. And secondly is the certified high net worth individuals. Basically, these are the people who have very high income, possibly like millionaire people, like over £100,000 a year, big CEOs of big multinational companies and so on. So these are certified high net worth individuals. So you have to basically, when you register with us, you have to sign one of these forms to declare that you are one of them. So that's why we can provide a service to you. At the moment, we are only providing one product, which is Forex. In future, we will probably have more products as well, but we will launch those products once our company currently is in pre-launch. Once those company is launched, then we will start those products as well. But we currently focused on just Forex product. So what is Forex? Forex means foreign exchange. It is the largest market in the world, where over 5.5 up to $6 trillion every day are traded in. And this is 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, Monday to Friday, that is. So this is a huge market where all the banks, the hedge funds, the financial institutions, so they are all buying and selling currencies to do their business, and hence it's the biggest market in the world. How does FX trading work? Basically, this is where the traders are buying one currency and selling another currency. Okay, so, and what they're doing is, with their experience, what they're doing is they're speculating the price and the direction in which the one currency is going to move in the near future. So this is with their experience and expertise. They follow news, they study the graphs and the patterns and so many things. There are so many indicators with their experience. This is what they do, and this is how we can benefit. Doesn't matter how much experience somebody has, people can still make a wrong move. So we always do a risk management strategies to make sure if we ever lose money, we do not lose too much. So our risk management strategies are very strict. We over 90% of the time, we probably put stop losses on our trades. Occasionally, we might be monitoring the trades as they go along. We don't leave them alone. So we will probably, if we ever do without a stop loss, we have to keep an eye on the trade. How is it going along? Right. We are a team of entrepreneurs with online and offline experiences. We have lots of experience. Our trader has got 25 years of experience.
The IT team person is an IT graduate with lots of experience of web designing and management, and he is doing the admin side as well, and also have lots of marketing experience. I have lots of experience in marketing. I've done lots of network marketing for the last 6 years. I've seen lots of companies with lots of experience joining them. So I have traveled around the world to explore different opportunities. So hence we have come together to form a new company, which we get the best out of all those companies. Anything which was not so good, where the customers, when we were customers promoting those companies, we saw what is it that we don't like, what is it that the public don't like. So we got rid of that stuff. So right at the beginning, what we are doing is we are not promoting our project as a multi-level marketing. So this is not an MLM project. Okay, that's one thing, because there's a lot of people don't like MLM products because they want a good product to be seen. So people have got this perception that the MLM companies don't have good products. Hence, we decided to make sure our Forex product is going to be working. People have confidence in it. And in future, if we feel right, then maybe we will introduce the network marketing element to it, where the multi-level marketing. At the moment, there isn't one. Okay, but there is something for people who want to introduce friends as an affiliate program. You can make money, which I'll discuss later. Right now, it's about the product, and people have tried trading Forex themselves in the past, but they have struggled. A lot of people, statistics shows well over 75% people lose money in Forex. I'm talking about the retail traders. So therefore, what we want to do is, with our experience and skills, we want to gain that confidence back to those people so that they can come back to this market. Yeah. So with current crises like around the world, as you can see with the coronavirus and stuff, a lot of people are working from home and they have no choice. So this is an ideal business where you can work from home. And so we should share this actually with lots of people and make a success out of it, really. A bit more about us. So what we are trying to do, we're creating a platform which enables you to see the trades. You can see the risk management. You can see how the trades are executed. And you can learn as well by monitoring these trades. And also, this is a worldwide company. So lots of people are looking at, investors are looking at us, and they are focused on us. They can see our performance. I will explain to you how they can see that. And we want you to be part of that experience. Yeah, why is it that lots of people are monitoring our trades and see how it goes? Because we are a very new company with just a month old. So therefore, people are waiting and see how we are performing, our results are, how the system works. And so far, we know we have tried and tested it back in January, and now with over a month now, so we know it's working. When people actually look at their trades, they're going to see different strategies with the entry points, exit points, the stop loss, take profit positions, so they can see how we are executing all those things. What makes us unique? Because we only charge £10 a month, this is the connection fee, we call it hosting fee. Basically, we connect your MT4 account to our master account. And once we set it, and we can forget about it, basically. If you wanted to learn, you can observe the trades, but we request you, please do not trade yourself on the same account. If you ever, anybody who is a trader, if you want to trade, make sure you open a second account and trade on that account. But this account you have connected to our master account, you must not trade on, and leave it for us to trade, open and close the trade ourselves. Unless you want to finish the business at any time, you can actually close this business, and there is no commitment. Money is in your own control, yeah? So therefore, you don't need any experience. Normally, what happens is people give money to the companies and they expect some sort of return from the investment. But here, the customers are in control of their own funds because they fund their own broker of their own choice. For example, on our website, we mentioned IC Markets Broker in Australia, which we recommend, which is a very reputable broker around the world. But you can choose any broker you like. For example, make sure those brokers are regulated by those governments wherever they are. For example, in UK is FCA regulation. A broker must be FCA regulated. So your funds which you fund, in case, as a worst case scenario, if a broker ever goes bankrupt, you are covered up to £85,000, just like any bank account. So our trader, which has a different trading strategies, they actually work on different time frames, mainly the daily D1 and H for the 4-hourly time frame. But occasionally we might actually work on the hourly and 15-minute charts, but the daily and the 4-hourly charts are more accurate, and that's what we look at the trends, and our trader will follow that. So people who know a bit about Forex, they will understand this. This is how important this is, the time frames according to which we look at the charts. We monitor different markets around the world, like London, New York, Tokyo, Sydney. At different times when the markets open, we keep an eye on the markets. We analyze different charts days and sometimes hours before. So we are ready, and we know, we speculate which direction the certain currencies are going to move, and we wait till see if they are moving in the same direction. Once we get the confirmation, then we execute the trade. Our vision is to make foreign exchange trading accessible to users regardless of location, investment, technical knowledge, or experience. Our objective is to provide our community with products to help them build their wealth and reach financial independence and prosperity. Our trading service, basically how it works, how do we make money? Yeah. So how does a customer make money? This is what happens. Once you are connected to our master account, what we do is after 1 week, Monday to Friday in UK time, say 10 o'clock at night, the exchange stops trading. So therefore, what happens if we see our system tells us how much profit or loss we made during that week. If we made a profit, we'll send you an invoice to pay 30% performance fee from your profit. So lots of people have done in the past where the companies are charging them a monthly fee. Yeah. For example, they might be paying £100 or £200 a month fee, and they can take the profit, whatever they earn. But the problem is, if those people, when they pay huge amount of fees, and if they are not earning enough, they feel like this is too risky for them. They might not even cover the fees. So what we've done is, the fees we are charging £10 is the hosting cost. Yeah. So what we do is, our income comes from 30%, which is from the profit we make for you, and you keep the 70%. So once you give us the 30%, that means the next week, the following week, we'll carry on trading for you. As simple as that. If we do not make any profit that week, sometimes it's possible, because Forex, as we said, that sometimes is profit, sometimes is a loss. We look at the average over the months. So if we do not make any profit, we will not invoice you at all. Okay. So you might lose, say, maybe £10, £20, £50, depends on your balance, but we lose our whole weeks of hard labor, which we've done. Okay, so that's how it simple works. If anybody, after trying us for a couple of weeks or a couple of months, if you're satisfied, you can introduce your friends or relatives, anyone. If anybody does join, up to one level, you can introduce as many people as you like. Then what we will do is, your customer you introduce to us, once they pay the 30% performance fee, we only keep 25% of that, and 5% will go to you every single week as a residual income. So you basically can introduce one person, or you can introduce thousands of people, but every week the profits they make, 5% will be going to you, not from their 70%, but from our 30%. We will be paying to you. So this is a good opportunity for those people who would like to introduce people to us. There is no cost of joining these affiliate programs. There are certain companies who charge, to upgrade the membership to join as an affiliate, but we don't. Yeah, it's completely free. If you feel like you want to introduce some members, you most likely you can. The minimum trading balance is £200. That depends on the leverage. If it's 1 to 500 leverage, then that's what we require, minimum £200. If your leverage is less, make sure you increase your minimum balance. Do communicate with us, we'll let you know. Say, for example, somebody has a leverage of less than 100, for example, you might need to invest a minimum of £1,000. But we always recommend people to go to a broker which has a leverage of 1 to 500, so it becomes life easy for everyone. Okay. The base currency, for example, British pound, because when you make a payment, say for example from UK to Australia, there are no additional charges for currency conversion, because the money goes from your bank account from pound and it goes into a pound account. And when you withdraw funds, there are no charges, and money comes back straight into your bank account. The deposit is instant, and the withdrawal just takes maximum of 24 hours, 24-hour working days. I've seen sometimes it takes few hours and you get the money back into your account. Your brokers will have different ways of funding the account. Some take credit cards, debit cards. Then there's a Bitcoin payment, there is Skrill payment, PayPal payment, Neteller payment. So there are different forms of payments. But just remember, whichever method you choose to fund your account, you have to use the same method to withdraw the funds as well. And no third party can fund the account. It's only the person in their own name who opened their account, they can only fund the account. And the account has to be a RAW or ECN type. And just remember that, not a standard account, but a RAW or ECN account. So it gives us basically direct access to the market. So to get connected, basically you need to open a broker account first. Then you can go to our website, which is InaVest.net, and you complete a small form and download registration form and that sophisticated investor form. And you can sign it, fill it in, and upload it back, or you can email us as well. Okay. If you give us your email, we can email these forms to you as well. If you don't have access to the website, we can still do it through email as well. But all those information is available on the website, which is InaVest.net. Once you make a payment of £10 and given us your login details for your live trading account, we will connect it to our master account, and we will email to you and confirm that your account is being connected. We'll give you your ID number as well, in case you communicate with us and if you introduce anybody. So you will need that, your membership ID number. Before anybody joins, if they ever wanted to see the back performance of our trader, for example, right now it's been about 5 weeks maybe we started. So if you wanted to check the performance of those 5 weeks, then you can go to this website called fxblue.com, and it's a users/ our account, master account number. When you go to this website, basically you can see all the statistics, how many trades have been opened, how many live trades are running right now, which currency pairs have we traded in, how many winning trades we have, how many losing trades we have, how much is our weekly performance, our monthly performance, what are the expected monthly target we are heading towards. So all that will be available on this website. So very, very transparent. So you can see all this from this website. That's it really. It's a very simple project, very easy. I believe it is unique. There are I've not seen anything like this really. So I believe it's one of the best projects. We are right at the beginning, and there will be a time when this will be all over the world. So I can't wait to see the very good, close friends of mine who actually will start this project. And they will be right at the beginning of the project, and they can feel proud that one day, before this company has hundreds of thousands of members, let's see who are the first 100 members. And we do have special offers for those members as well. I just forgot to mention that, just to let you know, on our website it does say during the month of March, if anybody starts, for example, with £10,000 or above, then the hosting cost will be paid by the company for the whole remaining year in 2020. Okay. Or if anybody introduces anybody with £10,000, then instead of 5% affiliate, you are going to get 10% during month of March. So this is, for example, a special offer. So this is, I recommend people to take advantage of that. If anybody even starts with a £5,000 investment in month of March, your month of March hosting costs will be paid by us. So these are the three options available in month of March. In future, in April or May, we may or may not have any offers. It all depends. We might have different type of offers at that time, but this is the month of March offer. So it is really good if anybody wants to take advantage of that. So that's it really. If anybody has any questions, I'm willing to take any questions and I'll answer those. How much profit we were making? Yes, can you see when we made a loss? It was over there. Then we recovered very quickly within 1 week. From there, you can see 28th of February up till 8th of March. Yeah, so within 8 days, we recovered the loss which we made, and now we're back on track again. Yeah. So this is what happens. This is Forex. There's always ups and downs, ups and downs, ups and downs. Yeah. But we look at the average after a month or after 2 or 3 months. We always expect people to try us for 3 months. Our balance, you can see, is 243. We started with £200. So you can see exactly how many days. You can go down here. It says 35 days. This includes the weekend, but we don't do trading at the weekend. Yeah, so you can tell. And also it's telling you the monthly return is 18%. Although we say 10%, we are aiming for anything more than that is a bonus. So we're already heading towards 18% monthly return at the moment. It tells you the maximum drawdown ever happened. This is talking about the running trades. The winning trade, 77.7% we have winning trades. People who know the knowledge about Forex, they say this is anything above 70% is a good, basically a good trader. How many pips we have picked up so far? 716. Which currency pairs do we trade in? You can actually see all this. This is the gold we.
So, Aumar, just to go over that pips 716. I don't know how they work that out, because I worked out on gold on Friday last week, and Monday and Tuesday we gained over 820 pips just in them 3 days. So I don't know how it's working this out. But I'd ignore that pips if I don't understand that. I've tried to work it out, but I don't understand it.
Okay. Does all the rest of these figures make sense?
Yes, they do, yeah.
Yes. So, okay, this is questionable, yeah, number of pips. I thought you made far more pips than this, yes.
Yeah.
And this is the winning trades, the blue ones, how many winning trades there are, and these are how many losing trades are. So you can see occasionally we let the trade running for longer duration of time. So you can see majority of the trades are closed within 24 hours. So this is at 25 hours, this is 50 hours, 75 hours. So within 24 hours, majority of the trades are closed. Occasionally we let them run for longer period of time because we can see the profit is being made, but the losing trades are closed within 24 hours. So this is how transparent it is. If anybody wants to see the trades running, if there is any, if I click on there, at the moment all trades are closed, so there's nothing showing, but you can see the live trades running here at the time. But you can explore all this and ask me any questions later on, even available on the phone. And if anybody wants to join, do let me know. You can go to our website and join from there. If I just show you our website quickly, if we go here, InaVest website. This is how our website looks. Now you can copy trades from our master account. You can do a bit of reading here. what about Forex, about the presentation, which I just mentioned. All those things are mentioned here as well. Okay. And also, if you wanted to contact us, right at the bottom, you can see the email, support@inavest.net. You can contact us from here. If you want to register, just go to here, register now, and you'll come across a form here to fill in. Just fill that form after you've done your registration with your broker. And you can, if you go below here, you can see you can download the registration form and sophisticated investor form. These are the two forms really you need to download, complete them, and then later on you can upload them here. Where it says upload file, registration form, and this one here. So you can send it to the website. That's it really for me. Thank you very much for listening. Our next presentation is actually tomorrow in our online entrepreneurs office in Birmingham, Digbeth office, which is tomorrow, Thursday, 7 o'clock. And the next Zoom will be Sunday, 8 o'clock. If anybody needs any one-to-one presentations, you can always give me a call, and we can be in touch and book an appointment to see anybody on one-to-one request. Thank you very much for being with us.